The only way to get an education in America today is to get a good head start, to get involved early on in early learning education, and then be able to be ready for school when you get to school. This organization hits on every mark that we need to make certain that our kids have a good and fair chance to be successful.
I was easily reminded today in spending some time with these children, again, how very, very important education is to give them a real start in life. So it just reminds us, every one of these child is an individual, everyone should be given an opportunity.
I had the honor to serve on the board for several years prior to being asked to help with the gala. But then when approached, knowing the importance of early learning, knowing the value of the program and the successes that it derives, there's no way to say no.
The gala has grown a great deal, and I think it's because of the support in the community. I would say what's very important is, number one, the children who are being taught, but also remind them there's a number of children in this community who really need to be in these programs too. That's why we need to support the Early Learning Coalition.
When we started the gala, we were just up on stage trying to have fun and do something great. Now it's turned into an event. And to see how far it's come over the last few years is just exciting.
But it's very important for people to understand what these programs are all about. Every time you look at one of these children, look, that child with an opportunity like an education can go far.
It's so exciting to be here, and it's so exciting every year. I look forward to it and I hold my calendar for it.